Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon for more videos. Welding projects are an excellent way to bring creative and practical ideas to life for your home or workplace. There are some great no-weld options to try out, but there are limited and much more time consuming to complete. If you are handy with a welder or willing to give it a try, there are endless projects you can build, and completing it with welds as opposed to ball makes them quick and easy to finish. Wooden projects can also look great, and often trying wood into metal work can finish it off just right. But unlike metal, wood has many limitations. You can form metal into any shapes imaginable, and there are plenty of scrap metal projects that reuse all scrap steel that would otherwise be thrown out as junk. Turning them into works of art is a fun alternative. If you haven't tried welding, getting your own machines that's designed for home and hobbyists. Used from Amazon cost a similar price to a standard wood saw. You can then dive into some of these easy to build projects that can transform your home and make your life easier.